Welcome to my vlog. This is my collections rocks. These are rocks and minerals from Michigan. This we take from up north. And Keweenaw Lake, Keweenaw Point is a lake. Yeah, and there, that's what we take there. And this one, that's agate varieties. Okay, this is the agate variety stone. So that's very nice. Yeah, this one I like. This one is very small. See, that's very small, but it's good for to make earrings and stone for the ring. Yeah, see, you can see that's very cute. See, oh, I'm so happy. This is my collection. This one, the green one. Oh, yeah, and there's a white. Yeah, see, it's very nice. Oh, that's another colors, very colorful. This is not yet polish, so my husband will buy a polish for me. This one, all these are not yet have polish, so if this become polish, is very shiny. Yeah, very shiny, is very good, very nice. So I want this is my collection. This one, see, you can see that's Thompsonites here and quartz. This one is the copper. Yeah, see, that's copper side. In this one, this greenstone small, but not yet take off because it's broke. So but this the inside of the greenstone, but all the greenstone are not the same inside, some different. Yeah, it's only a rock, but this one there is a copper and metal is white. Yeah, that's so this one is a greenstone. You need to look, we need to cut that one so you can see what inside. Yeah, that's my collection for my vacation, my great adventure. So that's it only, guys. Okay, thank you for watching.